Welcome to Coding with Scratch for Music Educators, and today we're going to learn about uploading backgrounds. All right, so one of the first projects I decided I wanted to modify was All the Leaves. I saw this project, Fuzzy Wuzzy 2, and I thought, I bet I can just change the background and put music from my song on here, but they already made the xylophone, so it'll be kind of easy. So that's what I did. If you look down here, All the Leaves is the remix. This lists the remixes that other people have made. So what I did is I clicked this and I clicked remix and it opened up and I was able to change and make my own. All right, I have this over here open and we're going to click see inside. All right, so when you look inside of Scratch, there's a few different windows. This box shows you what it will look like for the user, whoever clicks on your link. Down here, this is the stage. This shows the backdrops. And if you look over here, this shows more than one backdrop. This is kind of like what you're changing. You can switch between the code tab, and right now there's no code on the background. You can modify the looks of your backdrop or add sounds, and there's nothing there right now. So All the Leaves has this image that I actually uploaded. So if you click here, that you can search for background, you can add, start from scratch and make it with the paint features, or you can upload. This is surprise, just random. They give you a random background. So I clicked upload. And I'm going to show you this background was something that I had on my active board flip charts, the Promethean board. And so all I did was take the snipping tool and draw a box and save it as picture. The snipping tool is on all Windows computers. If you don't use it right now, you're going to love it. There is a Chrome extension that can do the same thing. It's called Lightshot. I use that on my school Chromebook. You can do the same thing. And I'm sure there is a similar feature on Macs. All right, so I uploaded this image, and then I can reposition. I can decide I wanted this up really high so that it gave lots of room down here for the xylophone. And as you can see, it kind of moved a little bit. I did not have it all the way up. Yeah. Okay. Now, I do need to make you aware of this down here. It says convert to bitmap, or in a minute, if we click it, it says convert to vector. Before we change something that cannot be fixed, I'm going to duplicate this. Okay, I right-clicked and duplicated so that our original stays the same. All right, I'm going to show you. If I add text here, All the Leaves. I don't know why it's purple. Let's just make it white real quick. All right, if I am in vector mode, I can reposition, resize, anything I want. Okay. If you convert to bitmap, you cannot reposition, resize. That is locked where it is unless you draw a box and move it up, but then there's an empty white space where you just left. Now, it's easy to fix that. If it's a solid background, I can click, I can get the eyedropper, choose my brown, fill it up. But it's not easy if you don't have a solid background. If I can go back to vector, that again is not clickable anymore because now it thinks that that is one still image. So if you want to be able to still move things around and manipulate them, you need to always stay in vector. Bitmap is useful if you want to make transparent backgrounds and things, but I'll show you that when we go to editing sprite.